Kwina motungata nkuluki ya 30 yarayaetie tumi yaratauni ebatere kwithira yagirithitie ibokenda kwewetiyo gia kwasitie goro itwamurikire nara kwina bianya na nara Meru kiendeka kuongela kathari kendo kinyanilia mendekithe ya watho wa matauni na michie eminene rwari twimurikara yara Meru kinyaniletie na machoke kiebimwe bebiuria birabi wekira akari obwa kigechunje kia bithatu na kia muthia ureteri nintinyari kinywa.
Ntuko yegoro iturajukirie kanya kumurika nare nyongwe rumete kirejaraja kuendeka kenda Meru ya city rungura watho bwa Urban Areas and Cities Act. Narwa ni kanya ga kugarura yukuru terero rungi tuchuria atere kwejo Meru kinyanirite jaraja kuendeka na jaraja gutume batara gutuika city. Narwa turiringa mpe na rachi kubatara. Atuanjire na barabara.
Kilomita ila 50 kilometers ile kwenda katia rami itukinyiti mwaka jo tukwalia ga itukwalia kura na tuchokerie kura secretary general Mr. Kiroto kaba nonto mwaka jo bo tuidira kilomita 22 kilometers cia barabara cia rami.
With the promise of the president of building a dual carriage, it across from Getembene to the Meru National Polytechnic and all the way to Kemu. That is also an upgrade. Upgrade the infrastructure yeto, which is also a requirement. Tuena barabara ki the informal settlements area chiaki by the same department and a program a World Bank. Tuena A1 barabara, A1 roads. It's a requirement for a municipality to become a city. That is the main highway, the Nairobi Meru Nanyuki highway. Yes, so in terms of, being there, Toreo, we are there. Yes.
Kingi kiragi kinyanirite ni wakibwa koti ya municipal ira kinyaye gweti kuendeka rungura watho bwa matauni.
Na urinde municipal court ingweti ya karuro nte mnonto neviri ni tebitire kirwa inkologani ngabana akamera unji time.
Kurina matagare jamane nejara thirikari ya Meru ejukite na itite na mbere kujukia gutigira gwitithwa nkathe gwa cibitali level 5 gutwika level 6 wagirithia bathoko irioga koromone na ukariunga mutindo kona barabara ni cianjiritie gwikirwa tubao tomarito jacio tukarikana nkuruki thirikari ni ciumitie kuromba mirandi ya wakibwa kieni kia ndege garu ya rais na kieni gya guchethera golf kinyakethera mirandi eje nijanite na gituma gikinene gya siasa.
State launch is another facility batire kwithira ye around city kinyayo ito allocate kithaka kante kwenda kuwa size again. It's something that the national government will help us develop.
Inde kinyakethera igukujiri weti na mbere kire gukinyaniria Kiroto giki kuri na ugua na kuri na bire birito bire bigutuma antu bakaria na kioe na gukira Kiroto giki ke Meru city. Bwa mbere nire gakumba kwithura kuri antu bakengwara bamenyerete kana arabetaganja kenda Meru ya rama.
Displacement, tiampeza ni example ya the road construction irera dhika majengo mjini and salama. Ute anto twa displacere. What we did, we just this information Kedai lands, it's already captured. The landowners are captured, but based on that plan, we are going to work based on the plan. Utena tumbako displace anto nonto tamajengo, we didn't displace. What we followed the legal process. Tonga akim mtu injirene alago tebatere. That's the only person that is going to be affected. Currently, titles Meru, most of them freehold. Go we cannot tutomba kwejo to work area and to kwere umeo. If there is something that is necessary must be done, maybe from the national level, kana from the county level, we will just have a dialogue and agree. Lakini we cannot displace people.
Bunge barabara itoyetie nkorotia Antoni ngutu ati kuombeka ogote bwa parking fees na kinyamiunda kuongereka.
na nya city ki ya ni bui kumenyekana there are issues that comes up with a city. For example, miundere mingi muno within town yetu now must be converted into leasehold. Na leasehold ni attract certain levies.
Nitutariritie rwangirwo miunda hugwa bubu na giki nikyo gicokio kia CC Joy Karwetha.
Mbere mathirikari itiumba gukira ntuku imwe random bauga kumana we rates igwitia. There's a process egwitithia rates in any place, whether is city kana town kana any place or a municipality. There's a process and the process is done through the valuation roll. Kwa evaluation roll no mwanka ikuruku assembly na mbere ikuruku ni assembly no residents, the local people must be involved in a public participation. No mwanka nto bakarende betikanirie we are doing this.
Nyuma ya kwaraniria na atongere na gwati mbaru bagitumi ni kwari no batu kuigwa kajuka mukari wa Meru wengwa na jaja ni jamoja maoni ja kari mutindo ja kangangi ukoni yendekithia Meru otwekithwa city.
Kiyako ingona itutigarĩtie kidogo ntuku manto amaingi yati kinyanirite bwega
sete kiarwa sete babati gotaga tukona tunde bakona kithira ne kugwira no nto baro korora rwe gakoromone na indobia toto bati kothira kinya to kia sete to na nyaro oje toeka roje rwa kuthambi to bira tukwendia customer agura akare atikethira kire jaigio bio no intobie na uchafu
eze tebura kwa sete arako mbere mane kwenda implement bwega kintu ja thoko ererera wa ya kwarora siwenzie baebere ara manto jara bati kwethora ja kiendelea gatukona u maendeleo ijenderete njira ciongo icie gitara moi mto umeta mao no monka gitere town na tena shughuli cia tauni ate kwa tanjira gota Nairobi direct no kuigwa arafu kintu kenge town yaja thai tukamwa city gakoromo ne kabati kwethora kena ara bakiroro njira ira cha kwena mawacho gotie sawa anto bakireta into thokone bwega. Yani tetogi ibanda bibyo ndabie naro iroko yani Meru kenda ya sete manto za kwenda za mbere to yani kwa umbali sana
Nyuma ya kumulika mawega mogwati na jaraja kwendeka kuri na kiuria kimwe kiragi gutigara kira no mwanka tucokerwe kiroto giki kia Meru city re igakinyanira re.
It's not time bound uratomba kuga conception ye take place these dates together kana gachiarwa after 9 months nteto cia thirikari teto tomba kwithira itukurota kiroto gira kia kinyanira within 1 financial year kana 1 calendar year kana kia kinyanira maybe in 2 years time kana kia kinyanira miaka 3. The best thing ni kurota na kuambiria
umane atire Bobata tekethera safari ya gukinyanira kiroto giki ni ndaja kana ni nkui. Bobata ni watho kuthingatirwa Meru kwewa kanya kurita maoni jao na Bobata nkuruki kiroto giki kijane na uguni tekirito ngake ende kire murimi kire mwitithio wa bikibiki kire mama mboga thokone na kire mumeru wonthe kinyore uri nturene.
Siasa ikaretwa kimantune ya ituthiate criteria itu fair to the law. There are certain requirements, equal na sababu. So I have no objection ke elevation ya Meru kwa status nambue menya city must deliver certain services na growth should be organic.
To support mutumanto edinkiana ndio tunwa ina idea we support that dream and me as a leader and other leaders I think to that responsibility and a bigger responsibility during our time and season kwira antu beto kintu kigi atutele them because that's the truth.
Kiroto kite kia mutumai kiroto kia Meru niba tutethie na iba tu supporti kuendelea gukuria Meru yetu. A Meru kwa elevated to another level. It's about us to occupy our space in Kenya. Toteto urago contribute mbecha si economy ya Kenya to number 5. Then baubange bendelea kuona mbecha si Kenya bado tukiwa tutakinya ile to akinya kuringa na woni katochereri.
Engineer Kenywa, Meru TV, Kiroto, Meru City.